Hey, today we're going to open and demonstrate the Sharper Image RC car called Flip Stunt Rally. This little car will turn flips and all kinds of stuff. Each side's an independent suspension, so you drive one side and the other. There's the box. Shows you all it does. You'll need some 4 AAA batteries too. And a 9-volt battery. Let's pull it out of the box. There we are. Here's your car. See, it has a red body on one side. You flip it over and it has a white one on the other. There's the white one. Transmitter, have to unscrew the hole down on it. There's your transmitter. Have to unscrew the battery hole down. Alright, let's put the batteries in. I clean it up a little bit here. Unscrew the battery cover. Well, I can't do it left-handed. Sorry. There we are. This is where your 9-volt battery goes. That's those little square batteries. Sure you get the right polarity here. Screw it back down. There it is. Oh, it's already on, isn't it? There it's off. See the light there? On, off. Now put the batteries in the car. There's a screw down right there. To unscrew that, your body will come off. There it is. There's where your batteries go. Alright, let's put the body back on. We're almost ready to drive this. There's your on-off switch. On, see the lights come on? Off. Transmitter on. There it goes. See, it works. Okay. I think we're ready to do some driving here. I'm going to do it on the kitchen floor here. Make sure your car's turned on. There we go. See the lights? Start off with the red body up on the transmitter. Push both sticks up to make it go forward, both of them back. I'm going to turn, push one more than the other. There we go. Look at it spin. One stick up, one stick down. There it goes. Drive it around a little bit. Whoa. There's a button on top right above the right stick. Make it flip. Oh, there it goes. Push that button and it flips. Whoa. There it goes. Let's see here. There we go. All right. Bang. Hit the refrigerator. There's a spin again. There's a flip. There we go. Flip over to the red side. There's a white. It's a pretty good little car. I think this little car was only like $9.95 at Walmart. It's made by who is it? People that make the drones, Special Image or something like that. Okay, see the button right there on my finger? That makes it flip. There's a spin. There's a flip. Well, if you don't have one of these, check Walmart. Like I said, they're like 10 bucks. It's a lot of fun, this little car. Just need some batteries. By the way, it don't come with the batteries. Go check out some of my drone flying. I'm not real good at flying, but they're a lot of fun. Under the playlist called Drones. I've got a couple, 2 or 3 of their drones. We got a lot more videos coming. Please like and subscribe and stay with us. We'll get them up here as quick as we can. Okay, we will see you next time.